Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The inaugural session has been very interesting and entertaining, and I believe that there are many invaluable takeaways. It's been a privilege indeed to have our chief guest and a partner in progress, Mr. Uday Kotak, with us. Sir, you had called us the frontline soldiers. Thank you so much. It's very true. Also true is that the banks are the growth engine in our industry, and we request your continued support. We will certainly, as a dealership community, stand up and be counted to be part of our nation building and also to take care of long term and sustainable thinking. We are fortunate indeed to have with us a titan of our industry, Dr. Pawan Goenka, to share his thoughts, which have always been pointers to the direction where our industry needs to head. Thank you for recognizing the efforts of dealers during the unlocking phase of the Indian economy. Yes, sir, the demand is strong, and we will do our best to relearn new ways to do business as the pandemic has given us new challenges to meet. Today has been made even more memorable for having such a multifaceted personality from an industry which brings such joy to the people of the world. Thank you, Mr. Imtiaz Ali, for gracing the occasion and for your inspiring inputs. You made me realize the stark similarities that the auto and the film industries share. Also, it made me think of similar challenges. The other subjects that we emphasize, like teamwork, delegation, respect for people, cannot be overstated in importance. Thank you so much, sir. I take this opportunity to thank our FADA President, Ashish, for his splendid and tireless leadership during the most challenging times in business in the last century. Ashish, your 2 years at the helm have been punctuated with many crucial milestones, also having a deep impact with the leadership community. Thank you, Ashish, for all that, and also for the lessons that I learned from you, of you being a great human being. A big shout out to our incoming president, Vinkesh, for your thoughts. We are eagerly awaiting your time at the helm, with keeping in mind the strong challenges we need to face. We need your strong leadership right now to navigate the uncertain but abundant seas ahead. Thanks for putting together such a lovely inaugural program along with the FADA Secretariat. May I also thank our sponsors, Ingenico, Tangential, and Orbitus for their support during today's event and hoping for a continued and long association. We are an association whose strength is our dealer members. As always, your support has been invaluable and your energy and inspiration. Thanks a lot for your support and for having joined the event today. I'm sure that today's event has thrown new light on challenges that are at present and towards the future horizons. I'm confident that we are better prepared to a brighter tomorrow. Many thanks to the media, who for long have been our voice to the world and who have steadfast supported all our endeavors. Thank you to all the participants who have joined us through various social networks where we have live streamed. Thank you all, and please stay safe.